Greetings everyone! Welcome to the 61st episode of Freeway to Financial Freedom. My name is Chun-Yin Yu, the host of the show, and look at the website for the Cashflow. You can see that it has now actually I would say changed in terms of what we call the format, and now it's like instead of the game board that used to be like in the old days, it just changed into something that is like, I would say, a little bit more futuristic, and plus it's really creative. And so now it's like you have a brand new kind of cash flow game. And of course, now for those of you who have played this game before, I think you know what I'm talking about. But otherwise, don't worry about it. Let's just go into what we called the Play Now section, and then see what we have. So here we go. So here you have the card that says "Make your money work hard for you, so you don't have to work hard for money." And let's see here. Yeah, this is kind of like it's pretty brand new here. So let's see. Yeah, I noticed what saying we would love to hear your feedback. Seriously. So well, I'm not gonna do that right now yet, but yeah, this is actually bigger than that. So let me see. Let me see what I can do right now. I think you can just adjust it. All right. So let me just click anywhere and see. Freeway to Financial Freedom is sponsored by Income and Product Emporium. Fly high with financial and technological freedom. And CYY Mall. Great savings come from shoppers like you. And now, back to the game. So here, I have a dream stock market for kids. Fund a business and investment school for young capitalists, teaching them the basics of business. School includes a mini stock exchange run by the student. I'm now a truck driver. Starting salary is $2,500. I have $750 in savings, so that means I have the starting cash of $1,630. All right, so I'm going to choose that. So now it's my turn. I'm going to roll a die. 4. There's a deal opportunity, and you can see that there's a chart right there that states income, expenses, asset, and liabilities. Here I have the income from having a job as a truck driver or lorry driver if you're from UK and other Commonwealth nations. And here you have the expenses, including taxes, home mortgage payment, car loans, credit card, retail, and other expenses. But of course, I have no asset, so this is why it's empty. And there's a liability, which includes home mortgage, car loans, credit card, retail debt, and so on. And you can see there's a total income from that. That's $2,500 from the job. Total expenses is coming from that part right there. Total is at $1,620. So now I have like a net gain of $880. So I have the $1,630 left. And of course, I have no passive income, so we want to make sure that the passive income is actually beyond the total expense. So let me take a small deal for the start, because the small deal costs 5,000 or less. Big deal costs like more than that. It's like 6,000 or more. So I'm going to take a small deal, no doubt. Market panic caused crash in a share of a long-time maker of medicine. Okay. So the cost is $1, cash flow is nothing, trading range is $5 to $40, and share own is 0. So yeah, I'm gonna buy that. So how many shares? Let's buy 1,500. 1,500. So that's 1,500. So now I have 1,500 shares of OK for you for a cost of only $1 per share. So now I just finished my turn. Of course, before I end my turn, I have to review my financial statement, which I did. And then you can also use this time to repay the liabilities to borrow the money, which is great. So, but of course, I don't have money to borrow or pay back, so I'm just gonna end it right here. Now it's Bot's turn, and he rolled a 1. That's yeah, looks like. Let me see, what's that? A doodad. He paid 200 on a doodad. And now it's my turn. 3. Tenant damages your property. Tenants fail to pay rents for 2 months and then skip. Well, of course, I have no, and then skips town, leaving damage to the rental property. Of course, I have no asset that matches this market card, so doesn't apply to me. So it's okay. At least it's not that bad. Now it's Bot's turn. Rolled a 2. What is that? Donation? Charity. And he passed that charity. Now it's my turn. 3. Deal opportunity. Of course, I'm going to have to take small deal. Preferred stock. Too big power? Wow. We got a new stock for today, huh? For the new version of this game. Huh, wonderful. Alright, so high yield. Preferred shares of major domestic electric power company. Dividend and price fixed at fair level by state utility commission. Cost of 1,200. Cash flow of 10. Trading range is just 1,200. Share own. Yeah, unfortunately, I cannot buy the share on that, so I'm gonna have to pass on this. So I'm gonna have to end right here. Now it's Bot's 2 turn. 6. Buy a food processor for 150. Another doodad. Now it's my turn. 1. What is that? Oh, now I have my first child. Congratulations, 1 child has been added to my dependents. Yeah, the reason why they call it dependent is because that person, especially a child, has to depend on my income, and that means I have to pay for that person. So this is why that person is called dependent. Child expenses will be increased by 140. Okay, so now I have expenses coming from the child. Alright, so I still have 1,010 left, so that means my payday has reduced to 740. Actually, yeah, my net. So now I finished my turn. Now it's Bot 2 turn. 2. And again, that robot has the baby now. Now it's my turn. 1. Again, take a small deal. You find a great deal. Company bought transfer manager 32 house. No tenant, current tenant. It has been on market for 6 months and has just been reduced. So yeah, the down payment is 2,000. Hey, so I have 1,010 left. If I buy it, I have to borrow 1,000, which means I have to make a payment of 100. But that's more than the cash flow of 250. So I make a net gain of 150. So that's fine. I'm gonna buy that. Take a loan of 1,000 with a monthly payment of 100. Yeah, sure. So I can do that. So now I have the loan payment of 100, liability, there's a loan of 1,000, which increased, and of course, we have an asset of the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, and there's an income of 250. So now I made a net gain of just 150, which I now have the net payday of 890, and cash only 10. All right, so now, of course, the good news is I have the passive income of 250. So now I'm actually on that mark. So I'm gonna end this turn. Now it's bot's turn, bot 2 turn, 5. Deal, house, and oh, and he got a property right now, 3,000 on that deal. Okay, so now let's see here. Let's see what bot 2 is. Unfortunately, yeah, right now bot is actually on this mark, and I'm actually ahead of this person. I'm ahead of the bot 2. Yeah, too bad that you cannot see the somebody's statement, but I can see my statement. Okay, now it's my turn. 2. Okay, so I'm going to take a small deal again. 10 acres of raw land. Well, unfortunately, yeah, I'm not interested in that. So, I mean, this is like, there's no cash flow. So I'm going to have to pass. Now it's bot 2 turn. 1. Buy a new cell phone for 100. And now it's my turn. 3. Uh-oh. What is that going to be? Buy cappuccino machine, pay 150. So I'm going to have to pay in cash. So now it's like finish your turn, and yeah, I just want to end this. Now it's bot 2 turn. 5. Now it's a, let me see. We see, and he passed on a deal, and now it's my turn. 1. Take a small deal again. Certificate of deposit. A leading bank offered a special bank of deposit to its customer, guarantee interest and redeemable after any holding period. Well, yeah, the cash flow is like what, 20? But I have to pay like what, 4,000 to get 1 share? I'm gonna have to pass that. And now it's bot 2 turn. Let's see what happened. Charity, and he passed on that. Bot 2 is passed on a charity. Now it's my turn. 2. Take a small deal again. House for sale, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and look at here, minus 100 in cash flow. So I'm gonna have to pass that. Now it's bot 2 turn. 2. And now it's my turn. Try to get an even number. 1. A payday. Yeah, here we go. So I'm going to end my turn here. 6. Okay, so now bot 2 has the second child. Now it's my turn. 4. What is that? Car needs new tires? Oh my gosh. Pay 300. So now I have 1,340 left. Now it's bot 2 turn. Just went on a deal. Okay, so bot 2 spent 100 on a deal. Yeah, the stock, okay for you drug. Is that right? It's okay for you drug. Yeah, it is. Now it's $5. Okay, it's now it's my turn. 5. Small deal. Sister-in-law borrows money. Uh-oh. Sister-in-law's downsized need $5,000 to make a house payment. She plans to pay it back $10,000 after she finds a new job. Oh my god, I don't have enough money for that, so I had to pass. Now it's about to turn. 3. We paint the house and he paid $600 for that. Now it's my turn. So I get an even number 2. Alright. Take a small deal. Company flounders. Massive losses due to tainted drug scandal. All stock loses half of their ownership's rights. Reverse split 1 for 2. So what does that mean now? That means I have only 750 shares of OK for you drug instead of 1,500. Dang. Okay, so he just spent, so Batu spent 200 on that deal. Now it's my turn. Visit dentist, pay $100. So now I have 2,130 left. Now it's Batu turn. Okay, so now the Batu just got a paycheck. Now it's my turn. 5, alright. Take a small deal again. Okay for you drug, $10. Yeah, I paid 1,500 for that. So if I can raise it to 20, it'll be like, yeah, let me see here. 1,000. Yeah, so if it's like $2, that'd be 1,500. So if I raise 20, that's like 15,000. You know what? I think let's just wait. $5. Okay, so now Batu just earned 800 on that deal thanks to that stock. Now it's my turn. 5. Uh-oh. Okay, if you see that one, that means I'm being downsized, and therefore I had to pay a full set of my expenses and lose 2 turns. And charity, and therefore I had to pay 1,860. So that means I have 1,160 left, and then I have to wait 2 turns before I can actually resume the game. Now it's about to turn. Lunch with friends and paid $40 for that. Again, I'm just like downsized, so I can't do anything about it. 2, what is that gonna be? Okay, now Batu has the 3rd child, and now I'm ready to roll. Let's see what happened. 2, payday. So I got 890. I'm just gonna end the turn right now. And now Batu just roll 4. Let's see here. Plex buy, of course, that's a market here, but of course we don't have a Plex, so let's apply to both of us. 1. Take a small deal. Rare gold coin. You have spent an unusual 1,500 World Spanish New World Havana Mint only piece of 8 gold coin in good condition as swap meet. 1 only. Seller asks for 500. Well, I'm going to pass that. 3. Deal. And I think Batu just passed that opportunity. Now it's my turn. 4. Take a small deal. okay for you drug is now $50. Hey, impressive. So if I sell today, based on my calculations, there's 750 shares times 50, so that means 37,500. So I will make a net gain of 36,000. So yeah, let's sell it. Sell all of them right now. Sell the shares, yeah, 700, all 750 shares for 37,500. All right, let's sell it. So now I have the cash of 39,550. Yay! All right. And of course, I can actually pay the, I can pay the loans and all these other so-called liabilities. So let's repay the loans right now. I can get rid of this loan. Yeah, amount is 100. I'll pay for that. I can repay this one. I'll repay this. I'll repay the car loan. So now I have 31,550 left. All right, here we go. Now it's about to turn. And of course, bot 2 is now downsized. And now it's my turn. All right, I'm ready for the big deal now. 2. I'll take a big deal. Whoa! Automated business for sale. Personal bankruptcy sale of busy successful laundromat on busy highway, absentee owner contract cleaning. So the cash flow 200,500, cost is 150,000, but I can only down pay 30,000. And fortunately, I have 31,550. So yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna buy that. Alright, so now I have passive income of 2,750, which is beyond the total expense of 1,570. That's great. So now I end my turn. Yeah, and I also have the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, so that's not too bad. I still have 250. Okay, so let's finish my turn. Now it's about to turn. And of course, congratulations, you are out of the rat race. Chen, I have built up the passive income to be greater than the past total expense. So now I enter the fast track. Receive 100% of your passive income, purchase your dream, or increase your passive cash flow day income by 50,000 to win the game. So yeah, that's my goal right here. And here, to win, buy your dream, I have to have I have to get 50,000 in the cash flow they go to win the game. So, all right, on the fast track, here we go. So now I'm on the fast track. Yeah, that's me right here. Oh yeah, can't wait to actually go to drive for it. All right, so now it's my turn. I roll 2 die, 7. Charity. For 100,000, you may roll 1, 2, or 3 die on each turn. So yeah, I have 275,000 on my hand. So yeah, and of course I donate 100,000. Yeah, I have 275,000. So if I donate, I have 175,000 left. So yeah, I'll donate. All right. So now it's my turn, and let's see, financial statement. Yeah, so let's see, when you're ready, yeah, you're able to roll multiple die because you paid the charity. Yeah, so this is okay right now. Let me see. Yeah, I don't have any business right now, so let me roll 3 dice to make sure. 3 die to make sure. Let's see, 15. I have the paycheck. Heli skis the Swiss Alps. And of course, I think that's not my dream, but of course, I'm gonna have to pass. And now it's about to turn. Roll a 4. And of course, he just skipped the opportunity, I think. Oh no, he just skipped the opportunity for selling the property. Now it's my turn. 5. That's a payday. Yeah, so I have 825,000. Alright. Now it's about to turn. 6. That's a payday. Now it's my turn. What number is this? Oh, it's 11. South Sea Island Fantasy. Well, unfortunately, I'm not interested in that, so I'm gonna pass. I'm just gonna finish my turn. And now, let's see here. Yeah, about to just down to the doodad, pay 100 on the doodad. Now it's my turn. That's 13. So now I got the payday. Burger franchise. 9,500 per month cash flow. 30% CCR. Cost is 300,000. Cash flow of 9,500. So yeah, fortunately I have 1.1 million. So I'm gonna buy that. Okay, so now I have 9,500. So now I have like what? 40,500 left. All right, here we go. Now it's about to turn. And now, yeah, so now this Batu has already reached the limit. It's like, the maximum is like what, 3? And of course, Batu has already has 3 child, so that doesn't apply to the Batu. Now it's my turn. That's 16. And now, beauty salon. 10,000 per month cash flow, 40% CCR, cost of 250,000, cash flow of 10,000. Yeah, I'm gonna buy that. So now I have like what? Let me see, like 30,500 to go. Yep. So I'm going pretty well right now. Now it's about to turn. And let's see, there's a mutual fund and he passed that opportunity. Now it's my turn. Of course, I think mine is purple. Is that right? I'm the purple. Yeah, the helicopter. So let me see if I could. I think I'm actually on that point. Let me see if I can roll one die. Dinner with the president. Well, that's not my dream, so. Okay, so here we have onto you stock, and let's see, Batu spent 200 on a stock. Yeah, this is me right here. I'm the one. Let's see here. Let me roll 3 dice again. 8. Be a jet setter, but that's not my dream either. Yeah, that's my dream right here. Okay, so it's now about to turn. Let's see what happened. NYT for your stock, and he passed that deal. Now it's my turn. 13. Cookware infomercial. 50,000 per month cash flow if you roll 4 or higher on one die, and otherwise get nothing. So the cost is 225,000. And of course, cash flow is 50,000. So yeah, I have to pay in order to actually try to win the chance to be in the cookware infomercial. So it's a 50-50 chance. So let's try it. 5. Yay! So I gained 50,000 in cash flow, and now I think I made it. So now, yes, there you go. I won the game. So I just won the game by raising the passive income over 50,000, and there it's like, well, the ending is kind of a bit different, but at least it's a happy ending for me. So now you know what it means to be in the freeway to financial freedom. By applying these concepts from this show into your daily life, you can overcome financial obstacles and avoid financial pitfalls while creating new sources of wealth through wise financial decisions, so you can be in a state of affluence and prosperity for the rest of your life and future generations. Alright, that's it for this episode of the show. And remember, Knowledge is your golden ticket to affluence. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.